Hey guys, gals, Doc Aaron with Dr. Autospot. Today's video is all about ceramic coating maintenance. Congratulations, by the way, you made a really good decision on getting your vehicle ceramic coated. It's now protected from the outside elements. So you need to know how to maintain it, and that's what this video is all about. We're going to go out and take a look at this Honda here. You're going to see how the water's sheeting off of it already due to the fact it's been ceramic coated. Matter of fact, this has been about 2 years ago. Coating's still holding up strong. And why is that? Because the client is maintaining it. Now they bring it to us to maintain it, which we'll be happy to do for you, but the video is also going to show you how you can maintain it yourself if you're physically capable to do so. Let's go take a look.
All right, now we've got the vehicle all washed and dried off. We're ready to do our reboot service. Now we like to do the silica spray reboot 2.0. I get this from Detail King. Basically, we can do this once every 3 to 4 months. And what's going to happen here is we are going to add more gloss and slickness to the coating. So again, it's kind of like giving protein to our diets, whether we're doing this to the paint. So let's watch and take a look how we do it. Well guys, as you can see, pretty simple, right? Easy maintenance to do it. Let's kind of review what we talked about so far. So after we've rinsed the vehicle off really well, and I don't know if you've paid any attention or not, but I was in the shade, I was not in direct sunlight. It is in the cool of the day, so it's a little easier on the body. Plus, the soap won't dry quickly as fast when it's cooler like that, right? We're also going to use a pH balanced soap. Now, my preference is this product called Detox Wash and Seal from Detail King. We really like it. We do carry that product here for you, your convenience as well. And then we also carry the Reboot. The Reboot is the quarterly, say once every 3 to 4 months, a little booster service on the coating. It's going to go a long way. Remember, we need to use some soft microfiber towels when we're going to dry the vehicle off. My preference is to have 2 of them because these will start soaking up water. So, you know, one will soak up water, get a little, it might streak a little bit, so you got another one to kind of dry that same area off really easily. Gosh, I can't think of anything else. I pretty much wrapped it up. So if you can think of anything, give us a call. If you have any questions, If you need help doing this service, we do provide the service as well. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you guys next time.